Hi everybody. So Mike again, New York Barbecue guys, and today we're gonna have a fun cook today. We are doing something that I've wanted to do for a long time. We're gonna do a suckling pig on the iron cross. So we got the grill lit up. We're gonna prep it up next. We're gonna open it up, season it, coarse salt, that's it. We're gonna do a little trick to the skin side. We're gonna rub it in duck fat and salt, and it's going to really help to crisp up that skin when we flip it. And we're going to have a really fun day. So I hope you enjoy this one. It's going to be a fun cook. You know what this is? This is a suckling pig. We're going to do it on the iron cross today. We took it out of the package and we cleaned it off, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to just open it up a little. Now this is already pretty much there, but what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're gonna just give it a little snip right by these bones here. So we're just gonna slice that open, and then we're gonna just do a little chiropractor here. Here, just pop these. You hear that? Okay. So we're gonna get this on here. We're gonna come season it up. Season those ribs, try to get down in here, my little holes. It's gonna shrink some. So we really wanna make sure that we get this held in here tight. There we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here on the iron cross. And we're actually gonna cook it this way. Probably gonna take about 3 hours on this side. I'll show you as we go how we want this to warm up. Then we're gonna pull it off the rack. We're gonna put the duck fat on the back. We're gonna add some more salt, flip it around, and go for about another hour, give or take. So what we do now is we made a Salmuera. And what this is basically salt. I got some coriander, some crushed red pepper. I got some garlic in here. And you know what we do is we come in here now and we baste our meat. Two things: it keeps it from drying out because of that heat, and it adds flavor. Okay, and you can see my herbs, you can see my garlic, you can see everything touching that skin. I do that about every 15 minutes, every 15-20 minutes we do that. Here we are. We're about 2 hours in. We readjusted this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what you want. That's the heat setting. And the other thing that we did, and I highly recommend, whenever you're doing a cook like this, you know, you should definitely open a bottle of wine. Cheers. We got some good friends over. We got some family over. And this is what asado is all about. All right, now here we go. So if you watched my duck video, one of the things I did was I made duck tallow, you know, duck fat. And one of the things we're gonna do here now is we're gonna get ready to flip this thing. But what we wanna do is we're gonna moisten the skin with duck fat. This is a trick right here. This is like chef secret stuff, okay? So come in here, take your duck tallow, and let's just rub down the skin. A little bit of our Maldon salt. The Maldon, check this out. You can get it on Amazon. This stuff is amazing. We're just gonna do a little sprinkle. It's gonna stick to that fat. It's gonna help the crispy skin when we turn it around. You know, if you're gonna be live fire cooking, you definitely wanna do this. And see that swivel, how cool is that? So we're gonna flip this around. We're gonna come right back down. And we're gonna come this way now. All right, so there we go. All right, so here we go. Here's what we've been waiting for all day. I'll come in here to the ham first. Look at this ham. Oh, so here we go again. New York barbecue guys. Check out this knife. All right, check this meat out. Look at this meat. Look at that. Oh my God. Then you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna come in here. Oh, do you hear the crunch? I mean, come on, seriously. You hear that? Oh, this is what I'm talking about. So this is what we're looking for. Look at the juice that's in this thing. Look at how juicy this thing is. You know how long this thing cooked? Look at the juice that's in there.